Indicators is all that you need to start your day trading journey today. As an example, we will analyze Bitcoin using these three indicators, and I will show you how you can make 15-20% very easily using these three indicators. So let's get into the charts. I have Bitcoin on a daily time frame right now, and you can see how the price is going up, down, how to make sense of all of this. So first of all, I've got the 200 period smooth moving average, which is showing me the long-term trend of what is happening with Bitcoin. At this moment you can see that it's an upward line, so we're in an upward trend right now, but you can see this area, a lot of action happening around this area, recent days, a lot of action. So this is a very important area in which we are right now. Next I've got the RSI is at the bottom. You can see currently we are at 36, 37, before we were at 80. So this is like a heartbeat. This shows the force of the price action. The price is going down, how quickly it is going down, how fast it is going down. This shows the force behind it. Before it was going up, so this is how you use this. What I generally like to do is that if it is below 50, it is in a downtrend, and if it is above 50, we are in an uptrend. As you can see currently it is 37, so we are in a downtrend right now. Again, we have just gone below the 200 period smooth moving average, so another indicator telling me that I am in a downtrend. Now the most important indicator is the support resistance lines and the trend lines price channels. How to do this I will show you. Very simple. So I have put these yellow lines which are the support and resistance line, and I will show you why I have put them over here. For example, let's look at this level. Lot of support happening in this level, lot of support happening over here. Again, big support in this area. Over here in the past also support. So this is a key level, key price level. Next I put over here, same reason, you can see resistance, again resistance. So this is an important level. Before it was a good support, from here we went to all-time high. Next one I put over here, same reason, resistance. So you can see what I'm trying to do with these lines. Wherever the price changes direction, I like to put it over there, and these are my support and resistance line. Generally I try to put 2 below the current price and 2 above the current price. The last and the important thing is the price channel. Let me show you. So I've put a blue line over here which is showing me the long-term price trend. Lot of support along this line of starting from here, good support. So this is showing me the long-term trend. Now to complete the price channel, I will put another line like this, and again you can see it was support here, but changed to resistance and resistance again in recent times. Once this setup is complete, now we can analyze what is happening with Bitcoin. Around 10 days back I made a video when we were at this point over here, and I said that let me show you, there were large wicks over here, this one, and I said that we are running out of steam over here. RSI was very high at that time, and I mentioned that I think it's time that it will go down to test this level, which is the 200 period smooth moving average, and it tried to test this but it failed. You can see this large red candle over here, which means we tried to test this level but failed. But now the good thing is we are at this channel again, which as we have seen in the past is acting as a good support. So what I have done is that I have placed a buy order over here at 39,500 is where I have put my first order. So this is what my first order looks like at the moment. My take profit is around 47,000. My stop loss is around 36,000, 35,000, which means I have a risk to reward ratio of 1.7. So anything above 1.5 is good. This is super important if you're starting day trading now. Risk management is the key to becoming a successful trader. The other important thing to consider is that you should not put all your money in one trade. Okay, you saw the price hitting this channel, and we can see that this is a good place to buy, but I haven't put all my money here. My next order is sitting over here at this level, 37,200. My next order will execute over here. If this price fails to hold, I will catch another one over here, and then I will average out my price, and my take profit will remain the same. So effectively I am improving my risk to reward ratio. So as you can see, given all the factors, there is a bright chance that it will start its upward movement again, maybe faced resistance in this area. So you can take some profit here, next you can take some profit here, and then finally you can take some over here. So this is how you layer your orders, and this is how you control the risk. You can see the red area is smaller compared to the green area, which means I'm risking less money to gain more money. And this is the key to being successful in day trading. So just to summarize everything, you can see I've put the price channels over here, I've put support and resistance lines, 200 period smooth moving average and the RSI, and I'm using them all together to determine whether I should buy or sell. I never look at just one thing and then say okay, let's buy now or let's sell now. No, you have to look at everything together, and in a long term trend, I'm using the 1 day chart over here. As you can see, I'm not trying to look at an hourly chart or 4 hour chart. I'm not interested in that. I want to look at the long term trend. If I'm successful with this trade, you can see 19.4% is what I will make. Super simple. And if you did the same thing over here, for example, you bought here and you sold here, again same 20% you did over here, you would have gained the same amount. So you can see how easy it is. You don't need to sit there whole day looking at charts, worrying about price. No need to do any of that. Just try to follow this rule and hopefully you will end up with good results. As a beginner in day trading cryptocurrencies, my last advice would be start with a demo account. No matter which strategy you want to follow, start with a demo account. Learn the strategy, apply the strategy, you understand it or not. Try it out first, don't risk your real money. Try it in a demo account first, and then later, once you're happy with the strategy, you're making good money, then you can put your real money there. So I hope you guys find this video helpful, and let me know if you want me to analyze anything else, maybe Nasdaq or oil or gold or anything. Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you.